In this video, you learn how to prepare phase samples for transmission electron microscopy to observe their structural features. These are material required. Now, let's move to the sample preparation. This process allows phase particles to attach securely to the grid surface. First, hold the grid with tweezers, ensuring that carbon side is facing up. Add 20 microliter of the phase sample onto the carbon side and allow it to sit for 2 minutes. Next, gently absorb the excess liquid from the edge of the grid using filter paper. Avoid touching the grid surface directly. Repeat these two steps 3 times. Wash the grid by placing 5 microliter of water on the carbon surface. Then gently absorb the excess liquid using filter paper. Repeat this washing step 3 times. Place the grid on a drop of standing solution for approximately 30 seconds. Once standing is complete, carefully blot off the excess stain using filter paper and allow the grid to air dry completely. When the grid is dry, it's ready for imaging.